When I first stepped into this industry over 30 years ago, I didn't have a roadmap. I didn't have mentors lined up or resources waiting for me. I simply had a dream and someone willing to give me a chance. That chance changed the trajectory of my life, and it's the reason I've been able to build a real estate finance and construction business, create opportunities, and now pay it forward. I've seen firsthand the challenges that keep brilliant, hardworking people from entering these industries. Too often, it isn't a lack of skill or drive, it's the weight of financial obstacles. Training costs, licensing fees, equipment, and education become gates instead of gateways. That is why this foundation exists. Our mission is clear: to provide scholarships, resources, and support that unlock doors to careers in construction, real estate, and the trades. Our vision is bold. We want to create a pipeline of skilled professionals and future leaders who will not only transform their own lives, but also strengthen families, communities, and entire industries for generations to come. The Future Builders Foundation is more than a scholarship fund. It's a movement. It's about building futures brick by brick, loan by loan, and dream by dream. We are here to remind every aspiring builder, contractor, realtor, and tradesperson that their future is worth investing in, and we will stand with them to make sure nothing stands in their way. With faith and determination, we will help empower the next generation of builders, leaders, and innovators through scholarships, mentorship, and hands-on training opportunities. And with your help, they will be able to dream it, fund it, and build it. Thank you for watching. I am Tunita Bailey, President and CEO of the Future Builders Foundation.